What's going on, guys? Here's the Golden Cars Magic channel on YouTube. Today in this video I'm gonna be teaching you how to do a control. It is really cool and very effective, and no one will notice anything. You can control the car to the top of the deck as usual. And I don't know if you heard about the Terry control or Lucule control. This is the controls that I will show you how to do it. You have to be able to do a fan, but not the one hand fan. You can use the pressure fan or the thumb fan. So learn how to do the fan, then you can follow me step by step and you will learn how to do it. So before I start the tutorial, I'm gonna be showing you how it looks like. I have the 8 of spades. I put it around the center of the deck. Right now I will just push it a little bit, and the card, it is not at the top, and of course it is not at the bottom. If I just snap the fingers, what will happen? The card jumps to the top of the deck. So this is the control. Right now you will know the secret by yourself when I will show you right now how it looks like from other corner. So I'm really putting the card around the center, but what I'm been doing right now, and here is the tricky part, as I am pushing the card, I'm doing the secret move. I'm letting the card out-jog from the back. So it is like a rotating the card, and you will end up in this position, but I'm doing this fast. So if you look from this corner, I think you will know what I mean. I'm taking the card and I will put it face up to understand everything, and it is around the center of the deck. So I go with my right hand, with the three fingers. Of course there is no gaps, there is no windows. I will start pushing the card to the left side, and the top left corner of the selection, it is right next to the thumb. So right now the card will start out jog from the right side. If I start pushing the card with the thumb to the bottom, so if you look right now, you can see the card, it is out jogged from the right side. Alright, so I can right now go with my middle finger, my ring finger and my pinky and square everything up, so the card will out jog from the back. Alright, so I'll try to explain it one more time. The card, it is around the center of the deck, and I go with my right hand, I start pushing the card to the left side, and right now the index can also push the card to the bottom a little bit, or you can use your thumb from the very beginning. Then you complete pushing the card using your thumb, and right now you have to square everything up because the index, you are right like the mechanics grip. So right now you can square everything up and the card will appear from your side, from the back. Alright, and of course this out jog thing, you have to do it fast, so the spectator won't see anything and won't notice anything, and everything will be absolutely perfect. So as I said before, you have to stick the card around the center of the deck, then you have to let the card out jog from the back. So right now we are holding the cards in the mechanics grip. I will try to explain when the card is face up, because that's better. So right now you have the card out jogged from the back, and you have to be careful about the angles. The spectator, if you are holding the card in this grip, the spectator will see anything, so you have to raise your hand like this, so the spectator can see the out jogged card, although he can see the deck, just the deck. And right now you are going to go to the second part of the control. Two fingers, your index and your thumb on the front, your thumb on the left side, your ring finger on the right side, and of course the pinky, it is right next to the out jog card. So right now you are going to go and hold the go with the whole deck except the selection, it is between the pinky and this part of the thumb, we can say. And right now I'll try to explain it one more time. I think it is better. So right now I am in this position. I right now go with the whole deck except the selection, it will stay in my left hand, and of course the spectator won't see anything because the deck will cover everything happen. So you start right now is rotating the whole deck except the selection, of course, not in the opposite, not in the clockwise, I mean in the opposite side, and you keep doing this until the selection can go above the deck. So right now it is on the top, so right now we can start doing the fan, and of course it is not very good because I'm doing it slowly, So right now the selection on the top, if I close the fan right now and to get some cover, I can tell the spectator the selection it is not on the bottom. I square everything up and I have right now the selection at the top of the deck. I will explain the move on last time. The selection, I have to out-jog it from the back, and right now what I'm going to do is go with these four fingers, go with the whole packet, of course, as I said before, except the selection. And right now you go like this, you lift the deck, and right now you are in this position. You put the selection above the packet, you start doing the fan, and right now you close the fan like this, and right now you end up in this position where the selection it is on the top. Right now the tips, the most important thing in any card trick or any control you have to learn. The first one, I told you before that you have to learn how to do the out jogging action fast, because that is very important and you have to raise your hand. So right now the spectator can't see anything except the deck and everything is natural. And the second thing that you have to out-jog about the half or about the third of the card, not more than this, not less than this. So be sure to do this. So I'll out-jog the card, I do it fast, and right now I'm out-jogging about the third of the selection. Right now I can give you a very good tip. So once you have the card out-jogged from the back, you can show the spectator that his card is not the top one, because that makes the control more impossible. And after that you do the fan. So right now you can tell the spectator your card is not on the bottom. You square everything up. Right now you snap the fingers and the selection it is at the top of the deck. Very important thing, you can do this control for more than one or two spectators, and they have to be standing at the front of you. You can do it for any spectator if he is standing right to you or left to you. He will reveal everything, and that's very bad. I like to use the theory control in the ambitious card routine. So once I have the selection on the top of the deck, I tell the spectator your card goes around the center of the deck, and if I just snap the fingers, the selection it is on the top of the deck. And you can do it, and once you do this control, I believe that you will get a good impression. So thank you a lot for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for the channel, and see you guys in the next video. Damn.